Hello guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Seal and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So the video of today, I really want to talk about a online video editor that you can use right now to edit your video without any watermark, and it's completely free. So it's a completely free video editor without any watermark. So first of all, I just want to point out the fact that when we talk about video editors, we have tons of them. Here you can see some examples, and the most famous are video editors such as Premiere, Adobe Effects, or Filmora. You know, the one of the problem with those video editors is that you need to install them in your computer in order for you to start using them. But today, what I'm going to share with you, the website I'm going to share with you means that you don't need to install anything, and you're going to see it's completely free for you to use. So let me show what I'm talking about. So the website is called Capwing. I don't know if you heard about it, but Capwing is a great video editor online. So it's completely, everything is done online, and you don't have to download, install any software. You just have to put your video there and start to edit them completely free. So here you can see we have two plans. We have the free plan and you have the $20 per month. Why I say it's completely free? Because with the free plan you can almost do anything you want. This is what you get with the free plan. You have no watermark, you have 250 megabytes upload limit. You can publish or you can create a video up to 7 minutes long, and per month they just allow you 3 hours, and yeah, you can store your content for 7 days. So this is just great. With a 7-minute video, in fact, you can do when you do the math, you can do 27 video every month with a length of 7 minutes. So for me, for the video I've just created today, I've done a 2-minute video. That means that I can do many videos every month, and it's completely free. I can do 2, 5, or even sometime 7, but you still have more than 20 videos that you can edit completely free per month. But if you want more, you want up to 40 minutes, you want more storage, whatever you want to upload higher files, you can decide to jump into the pro version. But I think that for me the free version is completely great in order for you to start to make your videos online. So now I'm going to share with you how it's look inside. So here you are the workspace. You can see I will just be connected in few moments. Okay, so yeah, here we can see the website. You can see how it is. You can add text, whatever you want to see. Those texts that you can see here, I've been adding them, changing the color, putting just a different side, a different place of the screen. And the picture that you can see on the background, in fact, is not a picture, but it's a video that I've been just downloaded here. You can see some videos that have been downloaded here. You can here have an audio file. Here I have a video file, so you can download videos or audio. For example, if you decide to come to the website called Pixel, you can start downloading here free videos, and once you download them, you can just come here and add it here just by dragging and dropping. So you can see this website is really useful because you can do almost what all these other software we know can do. You can add images, add text onto the images, you can add videos. You can reduce the length of the videos when you decide to click on timeline. You can add some effects. There are no tons of effects, but there are few of them, and yeah, you can decide to hide it. So guys, this is just what I get from them. Sorry, stop sharing my screen. Okay, so yeah, once you have done your video editing, once you are completely done, the place you're gonna click, I'm gonna go back because this is the result. This is the video I got after I've just finished to do everything with this video. And by the way, I will put at the end of this video, I'm gonna just share with you what is. So when you finish to create, add every image, the text, the audio, the videos that you really want to add. Don't forget, if you want to add a video, the things you just have to do is just drag and drop. Drag and drop. You can see the plus sign. You can just decide to drag and drop, and once you're done that, you can see this is just an example. And yeah, you will add the video file to your. Now I'm just gonna cancel. So once you have done everything, you just need to click on publish. It doesn't mean that it will publish the file any place, but it just means that the software will start to create the video, put everything together, and yeah, at the end of the process, you will be directed to this web page. You can see here. You can see here, you will be directed just here where you will be able to see your video completely done, and you can also decide to download it. You can see there is no watermark. So guys, this is a good website that you can start to use to create your videos completely, edit your videos completely free. And yeah, this is really what I really want to share with you. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I just say you bye bye and take care.